Finding cheap hotels isn't about booking the first option you see. It's about knowing how to search and compare properly. Most people open one website, pick a hotel quickly, and book it, but that usually leads to higher prices. If you take a few extra steps, you can significantly reduce your costs, even for higher-end stays. Start by opening a booking website like booking.com and enter your destination, travel dates, and number of guests. Then click search. Once the results appear, don't rush. Scroll through the listings, open multiple hotels in new tabs, and compare them carefully. Focus on the total price, location, review score, and what's included, such as breakfast or free cancellation. This helps you understand what a good deal actually looks like for that destination. Next, open a new tab and go to Google Hotels. Enter the same destination and dates to get a quick overview of available prices. Click on a hotel you're interested in and look at the booking options. In some cases, you'll see multiple websites with different prices, but other times only one platform like booking.com appears. This usually means it's the main or best available offer at that moment. Even if only one option is shown, you can still use this step to confirm the price, and if you want to be sure, quickly search the hotel name on another site to compare. Go back to your main results and use the filters to narrow things down. Set your budget range, choose your preferred area, and select a minimum review score to avoid low-quality options. You can also filter for things like free cancellation or included meals. This saves time and helps you focus only on hotels that match your needs. If you want to find even lower prices, open platforms like Hotwire or Priceline and search for the same destination and dates. You'll sometimes find heavily discounted deals where the exact hotel name isn't revealed before booking. Instead, you get general details like the area, rating, and amenities. These offers exist because hotels want to fill empty rooms without publicly lowering their prices, so you can take advantage of that if you're comfortable with a bit of uncertainty. Another effective step is to slightly adjust the location. Try searching nearby areas or neighborhoods instead of focusing only on the main center. In many cases, moving just a small distance away can reduce the price significantly while still keeping you close to everything. If you have access to reward programs, log into your account and check if you can use points to reduce the price or book nights for free. Many programs allow you to apply points directly at checkout, which can cut down your total cost or even cover the entire stay. Before booking, always review everything carefully. Check the final price including taxes, confirm what's included, and read the cancellation policy. Once everything looks good, go ahead and complete your booking. Using this method, you're not guessing or rushing. You're comparing, filtering, and making informed decisions, which helps you consistently find better hotel deals and avoid paying more than necessary.